We just received this new set of battery in our stock now. Okay, so you can see here we have the CATL cells inside, and this is the 25.600 amps. Let's see the unboxing of this. So it has the same design as the other version, but this time around this one is wide. See, here is the specification of this battery. You have the 100 amp hours, 25.6 volts. Operating range is from 22 to 28.2 volts, and you can see you can charge at maximum 100 amps, and 50 amps is the recommended. Okay, so this supports parallel, as you can see, up to 10p. This is it. It also has a Bluetooth BMS, because the BMS inside this is the JK BMS. All right, so let's see. So this is the battery. You can see this is 100 amp hours and it's at 61%. So you can see the cycle capacity there is 101.2. That's the capacity tested in factory. So I will also be carrying out a capacity test on this in order to see the capacity from our own. So we are done charging this battery. Here you can see this is the Deriy battery, 2.56 kilowatts. You can see we have reset the shunts all to 00, and we are connecting the outputs now to do the capacity test. So we're using the inverter AC. So now we are waiting for the compressor to kick in. The AC is ramping up, so you can see most people used to say, okay, there's surge or something. You can see here that it's increasing.
You know that battery is not supposed to do more than 50%.
0.5C.
0.5C.
No, not really, but it's rated for 100 amps. Let's see if we can do that. I'm not scared to test battery at their full power. So if you rate it 100 amp hours, let's do the 100 amps. So you can see 39 now, so it's increasing. So it's 38 minutes into the test, and you can see here we have drawn 735 watt hours, and we are drawing 1.51 kilowatt at the moment, and on the inverter we are drawing 1.3 kilowatts. Okay, so we are still testing live. So here you can see after 1 hour 8 minutes we have drawn 1.48 kilowatt hours from the battery. 1.46 kilowatts is the power, 57.9 amps, 58 amps is the current draw. The battery voltage is at 25.4, and we have drawn 57.9 amp hours. So we have reached 70 amp hours now. We have 1.8 kilowatt hours after 1 hour 21 minutes. We are still drawing 58 amp from this battery, and that is 1.46 kilowatts. The battery voltage is at 25.2. 1 hour 30 minutes into the test, we have done 2 kilowatt hours. Okay, so 2 kilowatt hours has been done, and we are still drawing 1.45 kilowatts at 57.6 amps. Our battery voltage is at 25 volts. We have used 78.5 amp hours. Okay, so after 1 hour 30 minutes of using an inverter AC at full power. So it's about 10 minutes remaining for us to complete this test, and we can see here we have drawn 90.4 amp hours from this battery at 2.3 kilowatt hours. So at 92 amp hours thereabout, see the cell voltages. So this is the cell voltages on the BMS. So we are still pulling a load of 1.3 kilowatt, and this is exactly 24 volts. As you can see, we are drawing 62 amps now, so all the cells are getting below 3 volts. So this is the capacity we achieved at that voltage, so 95.4. So the battery is about to shut down, and I'm trying to record all this as much as possible, and you can see 98.8, and 98.8 amp hours there, almost 99 amp hours. Let's see, shut down. So we're able to get 99 amp hours from the battery. It's not a great result, but fair enough, because we discharge at a very high current. So we have completed the test. You can see we have 99 amp hours from this battery over 2 hours, powering an inverter AC that was consuming 1.3 kilowatts. Okay, so this is the specification of the battery. You can see we started at 28.2 volt, that's where we charged to, and we disconnected at 22 volts. Okay, so now we are proceeding with the next thing on this battery. So we are going to do a tear down right away. Okay, so let's do that. So we are opening the battery up so that you can see how it's built. Okay, so be careful with that. So now we have it opened. So you can see the BMS is branded Deriy, though it's JK. So these are the terminals. This is how they look. You can see yeah, not bad. That's the switch. This is a epoxy board at the back. This is the screen. So this is the batteries. You can see this is the QR code. You can see it's showing 320 watt hours, which means the battery is 100 amp hours at 3.2 volts.